Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ajay and today in this video we are going to learn about data types in Java. So what is data type? In simple term we can say that what type of data we are going to store inside a variable, right? That is data type. So Java is a strictly typed language. So strictly you have to provide data type to a variable and this will check by the compiler, and this checking is known as type checking. So let's deep dive into it. Data types has two types, primitive one and non-primitive one. In this video we are going to learn about primitive data types. Generally we store values in a variable like numeric, character or boolean, and in numeric again it has two types, whole number and real number. Whole number like 0 1 2 3 without decimal point, we can say that, and in real number with the decimal number like 9.81 or 3.71, like this with the decimal points. And to store whole number we have four data types. So you might have question, to store same type of data, that is whole number, why do we have four data types? So here memory comes into picture. How much memory allocated on the RAM by the JVM, so that byte has 1 byte, short has 2 byte, int has 4 byte and long takes 8 byte, right? Generally most commonly used data type to store whole number is int only, but if in case data is bigger than the int range, then we use long data type. But remember, to use long data type we must explicitly specify the suffix to the data, that is capital L or small l in case of long. Let's talk about real number. To store real number we have two data type, that is float and double. Float has limited precision as compared to double, and to use float we have to explicitly specify the capital F or small f to the data, but in case of double it is not required. Got it? Now talking about character. Java use Unicode character set, so wide range of symbol and many different other languages characters also we can use in Java. Now talking about boolean allows only two values, either true or false. In other languages true means 1, false means 0, but it is not applicable in Java. In Java true means true and false means false. So that's it about primitive data types in Java. Let's see practical implementation of this data type video. So here for byte data type we have given the variable name byte variable. You can give any variable name here, and here we have assigned the value. We can only assign the value of that byte data type in that variable within that range of byte, that is 1 byte. So if we provide here more than that range, it will give compile time error. See, change, the error is saying change that byte variable data type into int, right? So we can only provide within that range only. Okay, same applicable others as well. Then talking about long variable, to provide suffix to the long variable, here you can provide small l or capital L, both will be worked. So we tried, and also we have provided small f to the float variable as a suffix. Let's provide here capital L and small l here, so you can get clarity. Capital letter also applicable and small letter also applicable. Then talking about character data type, remember, to provide character data you have to provide that character inside single quote, right? Then boolean data type, to provide values to boolean data type, that value should be either true or false. Rather than this, if we provide, it will give compile time error, right? Let's run this code. See, values, and see the character and true value. So that's it about today's video. If you like this video, you can like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much, and I will be see you in the next video.